Hello guys, so this is another video on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so I know this is a random video, sort of my topic of discussion, but we'll be going to look at my favorite movies. It's on Saturday, so why not let's look at the favorite movies of all time. So these are my top 10. If you have your own list, kindly share with me. I would love to see them. But yeah, let's dive in. So my number one is Fast and Furious. Most of you know the franchise series of the car racing, the likes of Van Diesel. Yeah, the actor. The number two, Pirates of Caribbean. Johnny Depp being the actor as the pirate as the captain of the ship. The other one, the Guardian of the Galaxy. Yeah. Number four, the Star Wars, Last Jedi, and the likes. Five, the Bad Boys. The recent one was Bad Boys for Life. Actor was Will Smith. Yeah. The sixth one was Bloodshot. This was recently by Van Diesel. It's a nice movie, you should watch. Number seven was X-Men. X-Men, yeah, X-Men has been a nice movie since it started by James McAvoy, the professor. The number eight, Hitman. Hitman, yeah, it's a nice movie for fighting and stuff. That guy is deadly-ish. Number nine is for Avengers. Any fans of Avengers here? I know there are many. So Robert Downey and Chris Evans from Captain America and other actors. The last one but not least is John Wick by the actor Keanu. That movie, it's deadly. That actor fights so nice. You should watch it out if you haven't. So that is my list. If you have any that I haven't listed, kindly comment down below. And yeah, if you want me to shoot more videos concerning movies, comment too. I would love to see your reaction. What else? So to my fellow Muslim, Ramadan Kareem. Hope you are having a nice season of Ramadan. Yeah. So bye bye. That's all for today. Subscribe if you haven't and join the family. Thank you.